This is the DJI Osmo Nano. Let's talk about it. Cameras keep getting smaller, pero mas powerful pa rin. Is this the future of content creation? Today, we are reviewing the DJI Osmo Nano, DJI's newest action camera that promises pro features in a pocket-sized body. By the end of this video, you'll know if this tiny powerhouse deserves to have a spot in your camera bag. The Osmo Nano is DJI's all-in-one action camera. I call this DJI's lifestyle camera. Of course, it is designed for creators who want the top tier image quality, creative flexibility, and of course, seamless portability. It's pocket-sized, very lightweight, pero sobrang loaded siya ng features you'd usually find in bigger cameras. So let's talk about the sensor. Of course, bigger sensor means bigger performance. Yung 1-inch sensor niya captures more light, kaya sharper details, richer colors, and mas okay sa low light. Kahit indoors or at night, usable pa rin ang mga footages. Kita nyo, nandito kami sa office ngayon. I am using the DJI mic. It's connected here. And ganda ng field of view niya, no? Maliwanag. Tsaka, natural light lang yan yung mga ilaw namin dito, sarado. The light source are just coming from the windows. Resolution. This is smooth and cinematic. Kaya niya mag-record ng 4K 60 frames per second with a wide 143 degrees field of view. Perfect for travel shots, action sequences, or POV style content. So yun yung cinematic footage natin dito sa office. Medyo trinay lang natin yung yung slow-mo nito. So as you can see, in daylight, the bigger sensor capture sharper details and richer color. Tingnan niyo yung sky, hindi siya blown out. Of course, the dynamic range is very much improved, as you can see. Notice how the highlights in the sky are preserved. It's very nice. The color profile for editors and pros, game changer on 10-bit and D-Log-M. You get pro-level dynamic range and more flexibility in color grading. Ang highlights and shadows niya mas preserved, so mas cinematic when you edit. DJI stabilization is here. Kahit handheld, running, biking, or just walking, your shots is buttery smooth. Para ka nakagimbal kahit hindi. Try natin sa hagdan right now. Hagdan mode. And then, try rin mag-jog. Jogging. And let's talk about the magnets of this camera. Ito yung part na sobrang nagustuhan ko. The Osmo Nano is well thought out and very versatile. You can magnetically attach the camera unit sideways for portrait mode or stick the back flat on a metal surface for landscape shooting. Even the monitor is dual direction, so you can flip it portrait or landscape easily. This means mas madali gumawa ng multi-POV shots, pwedeng pang YouTube na horizontal or pang reel sa TikTok vertically. Honestly, I think this flexibility is a game changer. It makes this camera very easy and very fun to use. Di pa siya nag-auto turn as of the moment, pero I'm pretty sure meron silang lalabas na update, software update for this. Ang kagandaan nito, pwede mo siyang, you can attach it to any magnetic surface, di ba? It's nice. You know, this is portrait mode, and of course that is the landscape mode. You can attach it sideways like that. Diba? Let's talk about battery life. You can get up to 200 minutes of recording time plus fast charging. That is almost 3 hours straight, so you can shoot longer without worrying. And speaking of battery, my battery display, this is super helpful kasi you can always check how much power do you have left. No more guessing game while you're out shooting. This one and this one has the same sensor. And let's talk about the live view monitor. You know, this, you can connect to your phone, frame your shots in real time, and control your settings remotely. Plus, mabilis ang file transfer, which makes your workflow faster. And let's talk about the audio. Finally, Pro Audio. With direct mic support, pwede ka mag-plug in mic for clear, broadcast quality sound. Walang compromise sa audio. And of course, since this is a DJI product, any DJI Bluetooth mics works with this unit. Let's talk about waterproof. Waterproof up to 10 meters. Perfect for pool shots, diving, or shooting in the rain. The dock itself is splash resistant, safe pa rin kahit na maulanan. So, is the DJI Osmo Nano the future of action cams with its larger sensor, the 4K 60fps, recording D-Log with its stabilization, extended battery life, and of course the magnetic mounting? It definitely sets a new standard for compact cameras. Of course, hindi nito papalitan yung mga mirrorless cameras natin, but as an everyday creative tool, this is a serious game changer. What do you guys think? Would you trust a camera this small for your main content camera? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.